Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with an uploaded activity that contains the stretch you want to segment. Open Strava on your desktop, find the activity, and view the map. Once there, click the three-dot menu and choose Create Segment. This puts you into the segment editor immediately. You should zoom and pan the map so the route is centered, because you will place two anchors, start and finish. Make sure the GPS track is clean. Noisy tracks make precise endpoints difficult and may ruin the segment. You now place the start and finish pins where you want the timed effort to begin and end. Drag each pin to the center line of the route and use the zoomed view to align with road center or trail. Once placed, use the preview feature to play a ghost of the segment. This helps you confirm the exact meters covered and any lane changes. If the segment crosses intersections, shorten it to avoid accidental shortcuts. Make sure to name it descriptively so others recognize the location. You finish by giving the segment a clear name, set visibility options, then click Save. Strava will process and index it across activities. Once done, test it by opening another ride or run over that stretch and viewing segment attempts. If you don't see it or times aren't counted, make sure the original activity isn't private and that GPS points line up. Privacy settings or poor GPS smoothing are common blockers. If problems persist, shorten the segment slightly and retry. The smaller
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.